Hello, my name is Hans George Campbell, and today I thought I'd show you and talk about the different versions of Deluxe Paint. So let's get started. Deluxe Paint, often referred to as D-Paint, is a bitmap graphics editor series created by Dan Silva for Electronic Arts. The original Deluxe Paint was written for the Commodore Amiga 1000 and released in November 1985. Alrighty, so first up we have the very first Deluxe Paint by Dan Silva. There's the front. It's in the typical Electronic Arts, packaging. There's the front. There's the back. Okay. Spectacular graphic power, Okay, so... And I put everything in a protective, like a bag here, to keep it nice and neat. I don't want to get messed up. Anyway, okay, Deluxe Paint 1 and 2, they're both copy protected. Anyway, that's the original disc. Okay. And then this is the backup disc. I think you'd have to send in, like pay an extra $5 or $10 and they send you a backup disc. Okay, but that's your backup disc. And this is the, let's see, the command summary. Amiga Deluxe Paint reference card and manual editions, and that's basically, what it looks like. Okay. And then you've got some kind of a coupon here. Oh, okay. Deluxe Paint, unprotected backup. Okay, so apparently you can mail this in and they would send you Deluxe Paint on an unprotected disc. Because a lot of people complained about Deluxe Paint being copy protected. And so starting with Deluxe Paint 3, Electronic Arts removed all copy protection from Deluxe Paint. Okay. Anyway, I didn't realize this folds out like that. I just now realized that. I didn't realize that that folded out like that. I mean, all these years I didn't realize that folded out. Silly me. Okay, anyway. There's the Deluxe Paint manual. Yep, Deluxe Paint manual. Anyway, that's the manual. That's your quick reference guide right there. Okay. Okay, so there is the first version of Deluxe Paint. Okay, by Dan Silva. Okay, next we have the art parts. We got art parts, yeah, Deluxe Library, art parts Volume 1 for Deluxe Paint. It just gives you basically colored clip art that you can use, and I think backdrops and stuff that you can use, you know. I put the discs in these little CD sleeves just to help protect them, keep them nice. But there's the Art Parts 1 disc for Deluxe Paint. Okay, that's Art Parts 1. And this here is Deluxe Library, Art Parts 2 for Deluxe Paint. Okay. And like the other one, I put the disc in a CD sleeve to protect it. But there's the Art Parts 2 disc. And then here's the Deluxe Creativity Series, only from Electronic Arts. It's probably some kind of like a pamphlet or something, you know, some kind of fold out. Deluxe Paint 2, Deluxe Video version 1.2, you know, it tells you about, you know, more of their products. And Deluxe Music Construction, I'll be showing that in a later video. Deluxe Music, Deluxe Library, that's what I'm showing you now, the Deluxe Library series. Yeah, a lot of people, they show the hardware, vintage computer hardware, but there's not many videos that are showing the software. And I think the software is just as important as the hardware. Okay? And I didn't see any videos on Deluxe Paint. Anything that really goes into detail about Deluxe Paint. Okay, next we have Deluxe Paint 2. And again, this is by Dan Silva. This one too is copy protected. Right here. And there's the back of, you know, the box. Now this I bought brand new. It was still shrink wrapped. And I removed the shrink wrap because I wanted to see the contents of the box. So, okay, this is the manual, Deluxe Paint 2 manual. Okay. Really nice, big, you know, there's Dan Silva. Okay. Yeah, nice big thick manual. I mean, when's the last time you went into your store, your local store, and was able to buy software like this in the original box, complete with a big thick manual like this, and you know, and the actual software on the discs, you know, that's a thing of the past. It'll never come back. Yeah, it'll never come back. Yeah, it'll never come back. That's why I think it's important to show this software on my YouTube channel. Again, we got the command summary, Deluxe Paint 2, getting started. Okay, it's a fold-out card and gives you your keyboard shortcut commands, keyboard commands. Okay, it talks about the limited warranty. And then we have, let's see, a little piece of paper. The instructions in getting started section of the manual refer to the key disk protection system. Okay, anyway, I think it talks about the on-disk protection or something like that. Okay. And then, let's see, you get a free newsletter from Electronic Arts. Free newsletter if you fill that out and send it in. And of course, again, the Deluxe Creativity series, only from Electronic Arts. Basically the same thing. I think the same thing that was in the other one. Yeah. Actually, no, it's a little different. This one, it talks about Deluxe Paint 2, Deluxe Print 2, Deluxe Video, Deluxe Productions. I have all of these programs. God, it's amazing how much the original price was. I mean, prices on, for these programs. Very expensive. And again, of course, we got IntelliType, Deluxe Music Instruction, Instant Music, and Deluxe Photo Lab. I have all of these programs, and I will be showing them in near future videos. So stay tuned for those. And last but not least, we've got the discs. Well, I don't like messing up the shutters or taking a chance on messing up that shutter. So, 800K disc. Okay. So, it comes on 2 discs. That's the program disc. It's labeled as key disc, but I know it's the program disc. Okay, now these are copy protected. Deluxe Paint 1 and 2 are copy protected. And then there's the art disc. It's interesting that it says 800K, so I think that these discs were also used for the classic Macintosh computers, because their drives were 800K drives. So, yeah. Okay, so put that back in. Put the key disc back in. And voila, they're in there nice and safe. Now we put that in, put that in, put that in. Okay, and the manual. Okay, so that's Deluxe Paint 2 for the Commodore Amiga computers. Okay. Next we have Deluxe Paint 3 with animation this time. Deluxe Paint 3 with animation. This is my favorite art program of all times. This is the one I use on my own Amiga 2000 and 500 computers. And in later videos, I will show you how to use Deluxe Paint 3 to create beautiful gradient fill backgrounds for use with the video toaster or for use with gen locking. I'll show you how to do titling with Deluxe Paint 3, all kinds of fancy video techniques that you can do with this program with Deluxe Paint 3. Now, Deluxe Paint 3 is the last version of Deluxe Paint that was done by Dan Silva. He left Electronic Arts after, programming Deluxe Paint 3. Okay. So Deluxe Paint 3 is the last Deluxe Paint done by Dan Silva. All right. So we've got the Deluxe Paint 3 manual. Big thick manual. It's like 3/4 of an inch thick. I mean, just look how thick this thing is. Look how thick this manual is. I mean, oh my God. Anyway, that's the manual. And then we got, I think this is the quick, excuse me, the quick reference card or guide. You know, toolbox commands, special keys. Yeah. I'll be going into more detail on Deluxe Paint 3 in later videos. I'll actually create videos specifically on this program. And I will show you on my own Amiga 2000 how to use this program to its fullest potential. I mean, you can do a lot of cool things with Deluxe Paint 3. And it's not that hard either, as you'll see in the videos that I'm gonna do on this program. Okay, the ultimate fonts, Cara fonts. I think Deluxe Paint 3 was the first paint program, or first of the Deluxe Paint series, to use Cara fonts. Okay, and I'll actually show you how to use these too. These are great. You can create all kinds of really cool backgrounds for use with your gen locking or with the video toaster. But yeah. And then show off your Amiga with these hit titles from Electronic Arts. We've got 688 Attack Sub, Earl Weaver Baseball, 1988 MLBPA, Player's Disc. And we got Populous, and we got, FA-18 Interceptor. I'll be showing that one in a future video as well. I love that game. And we've got, let's see, Power Drome, Ferrari Formula 1, okay, Swords of Twilight, The Bard's Tale 2, The Destiny Knight, World Tour Golf, Zany Golf, Deluxe Paint 3, yeah, well that's what we're looking at now, Deluxe Print 2, Deluxe Productions, Deluxe Music Instruction Set, and Deluxe Photo Lab. I have all of these programs, and I will be showing them in future videos. And we have, let's see, Professional Techniques for Deluxe Paint 3, a 1 hour long VHS tape, which I do have. And I've actually recorded that VHS tape using my Pentium 3 PC and a video capture card, and captured it as a normal video MPEG file. And of course I had it uploaded on my Amiga website, and then it's been downloaded, hell, hundreds of thousands of times, so it's all over the internet. It's on YouTube even, you know, so yeah. But yeah, I'm going to be creating my own videos, you know, professional techniques on how to do different things with Deluxe Paint 3. It's a really cool paint program, you know. But yeah, how to order professional techniques for Deluxe Paint 3 on VHS video cassette. Okay, anyway, that's that. You know, I should have probably brought out those cassette tapes because I do have them. Okay, so I think this is on 3 discs, if I'm not mistaken. It's on 3 discs. Deluxe Paint 3. In fact, I know it is. It's on 3 discs. Okay. So first we have the Deluxe Paint 3 program disc. Okay. And then we have the Deluxe Paint 3 art disc. Okay, the art disc. Now I know a lot of you old timers out there, you're probably getting bored with this because you know about these programs. But this video, these types of videos are mainly for the new people that are getting into the Amiga computer, and they may not know anything about Deluxe Paint 3. You know, that's why I thought or any of these Deluxe Paint programs. That's why I thought I'd do these videos. You know, for all the new, the beginners out there and the new people out there that are just now getting into the Amiga scene. You know, try to help them out. You old timers probably know all this stuff already, so you know, bear with me. Bear with me. Yeah, I love Deluxe Paint 3. It's my favorite paint program. My second favorite paint program is Paint 3. And I'll be showing that one in a later video too. Alrighty. Next we have Deluxe Paint 4. Now there was two versions of Deluxe Paint 4. Okay. There was the standard version like this, and then there was Deluxe Paint 4 AGA, which was done specifically for the Amiga 1200 and the 4000 to take advantage of their AGA chipset. This is, I think, the normal version of Deluxe Paint 4. Paint and animate in 4096 colors. So, I don't know, this might be the AGA version, because they were in the same box. So, yeah. Okay. I think they're in the same box. Same box. Alright. Alrighty. So, we've got the beautiful manual. I mean, oh my god, look at this. It even has a black ring right here. You know, it's kind of nice. This is brand new. I bought this one brand spanking new. It was still shrink wrapped. I got it from a guy on eBay for like, I don't know, I think I paid $30 for it, and that was a steal for this beautiful program. Brand new, still shrink wrapped. And I removed the shrink wrap because I just had to see what was inside the box. I had to install it on my Amiga and just check it out, you know. But yeah. Yeah, this beautiful paint program. And I got all, I think it's 3 discs. Well, I got them in 3 separate bags. 3 separate bags. Okay. Oh, this is the AGA version. Okay. This is disc 1. Deluxe Paint 4 AGA. So this is the one for the Amiga 1200 and the 4000 to take advantage of their AGA chipset. So that is pretty cool. What I'm thinking. Yep. Okay. And this is Deluxe Paint 4 AGA install disc 2. The first one was install disc 1. This is install disc 2. Okay. And the third disc, this one is, it says Art 3. I don't know why it would say 3, because I bought this brand new. It's still shrink wrapped, and there was only 3 discs in here. So, anyway. Okay. Alrighty, so we also have, let's see, Deluxe Paint 4 AGA Read Me First. So this is a supplement, you know, an additional guide to go along with the main guide, because this is the AGA version of this program. Okay, yeah. Deluxe Paint 4 AGA warranty registration card, and that's the number. You've got to have that number. I think you have to type in that number when you install this program. You got to actually write down that number. So keep this part for your records. Yeah, I think you have to type in that number when you install this. Yeah, when you install the program. And then we have, what is this? Okay, more great titles for your Amiga. Yeah, it's just a Electronic Arts catalog. I don't want to bore you by reading all the titles again, but yeah. Talks about all the different software from Electronic Arts. And again, Cara fonts. And I will be showing these on a later video, how to actually use these fonts. They're beautiful fonts. Absolutely gorgeous fonts. I'll show you how to do do things with these. You know, do all kinds of special effects and stuff. Okay, we got, let's see, get even more from Deluxe Paint 4. 2 60-minute VHS videos to choose from. And I have both of them. That's right, boys and girls. And yes, I did convert them to digital format for your downloading pleasure. They've been scattered all over the internet, you know, by now. Everyone's been copying them and posting them on YouTube and on their websites and stuff. But I'm the original person that copied all of these Amiga VHS tapes to digital format. I was the one that did all that. That's right. I'm the one that did all that for the Amiga community. And then we have, let's see, Unbelievable Printer. Okay. For $995, it better be a damn nice printer for that kind of money. A damn nice printer, you know, for that kind of money. Photo quality output. Oh my God. Okay. You know what? I'm thinking I should put the manual in first. Then put the disc in, right? And then put this in. Yeah. Help protect those discs. Okay, but anyway, there's Deluxe Paint 4, the AGA version for the Amiga 1200 and 4000 computers. Isn't that beautiful? It's so cool. Okay, next we have Deluxe Paint 5. Ooh, now I bought this one brand new too. It was still shrink wrapped. I removed the shrink wrap from it, and so I can see the contents inside. You know, and there, yeah, this is a beautiful program. Deluxe Paint 5. Okay, it says, okay, it's for the Amiga 500 plus Amiga 600, Amiga 1200, Amiga 2000, Amiga 3000, and 4000. AGA chipset is required for enhanced modes. Required is 2 megabytes of RAM, 2 floppy drives or hard drive, Kickstart 2.04 or greater. Recommended hard drive, Amiga 040, an AGA chipset, and a 4 megabytes plus of RAM. Okay. Alrighty. There's Deluxe Paint 5 manual. This damn thing's like about 1 inch thick. This is a thick manual. Really big, thick, beefy manual. When's the last time you went into your store, bought a program, you know, and it had this big, beefy, thick, you know, manual that tells you how to actually use the program, you know. Okay. Alrighty, this right here is the Deluxe Paint 5 registration number, and you have to type this number in every time you install the program. Only when you install it. You know, you have to type in this number. Okay. I'm surprised there's no advertisements and other stuff in here. You know, like what was in the other boxes. I mean, that's surprising. Okay. I probably put it underneath here. Let me see. I don't know if I did or not. No, I didn't, because sometimes I drop it underneath. Okay, so Deluxe Paint 5. It comes on 4 discs. There's a program disc. I like the way they use the gold font, like gold paint. I think that's a nice touch for just this Deluxe Paint 5. Deluxe Paint 5 was the final version of Deluxe Paint for the Amiga computer. It was the final version. Okay. Here's the Amiga extras for Deluxe Paint 5. Amiga examples for Deluxe Paint 5. Okay. Alrighty, so that's Deluxe Paint 5. Okay. That's weird that it doesn't have any advertisements. Because usually Electronics Arts, they throw a bunch of advertisements in the box. I mean, they're software boxes. It's unusual. But anyway, that's Deluxe Paint 5. Right there. Okay, now I'm going to show you, a lot of you don't realize it, but Deluxe Paint was also done for the Atari ST. Yeah, this is the Atari ST version of Deluxe Paint with animation. It's actually the Atari ST version of Deluxe Paint 3 is what this is. Okay, it's for the Atari ST, STE, STFM, STM, or Mega ST. 512K minimum. Color monitor required. Supports 9-pin or 24-pin and laser printers. Color and black and white printing from either parallel or serial port. No on-disk copy protection. Okay, so that's the front of the box of Deluxe Paint for the Atari ST series of computers. And then there is the back of the box. Okay. Yeah, this one I bought brand new too, still shrink wrap. I think I got it for like 20 bucks. Free shipping, you know. I thought that was a steal. There's the manual. It's about a 1/2 inch thick. You know, Deluxe Paint manual for the Atari ST. And there's the Deluxe Paint ST quick reference, you know, keyboard commands card. Let's see. Yeah. There you go. Yep. Okay. And you got to have your Electronic Arts registration card. You know, you got to have that. See, it's important. Alrighty, let me pull this out. For some reason, this got trapped below. Alrighty, so it comes on 3 discs, just like Deluxe Paint 3 for the Amiga. We have the program disc. Yeah, this is basically Deluxe Paint 3 for the Atari ST. There's the program disc. And the art disc. Okay, the art disc. And the animation disc. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, come on, get in there. Okay. I don't know why, but it's not wanting to stay. Anyway, that's fine. That's fine. Nothing's going to happen to it. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Like that. Okay, well, that's the Atari ST version of Deluxe Paint 3. That's the front of the box. And that is the back of the box. Okay, now this, I don't have the box or the manual, but this is the PC version of Deluxe Paint 2 Enhanced. It's the enhanced version of Deluxe Paint 2 for the PC. And I bought these, I found these on eBay. It's very hard to find this program, even just the discs. And I paid the guy, I think, $15 for these 2 discs. But I wanted them for my PC. It runs great on my Pentium too. It also runs really well on my bridge board. Because it says right here, IBM PC XT or AT, PS2 or Compaq, or Tandy 1000. Okay, 3000 and IBM compatibles. Yeah, this is one of the programs that runs really good on my Commodore 286 bridge board. So I think I'm going to show this running on that when I do the bridge board series this April, the first week in April. But yeah, so stay tuned for these videos. I got hundreds of videos in the works that I'm going to be putting on my YouTube channel. So subscribe if you haven't, because trust me, you're going to love my YouTube channel. Quality content coming up. Okay. Since I'm doing a video, this video on Deluxe Paint, the Deluxe Paint series, I thought I'd go ahead and show you in this video these VHS tapes right here. This is the Professional Techniques for Deluxe Paint 3 VHS tape right here. And there's the back of it, the back of the case. Okay. And then here is the Deluxe Paint 4 video guide right here. Okay, VHS tape. Okay, trying to get it where you can see it on the camera. But yeah, I thought I'd show these videotapes to you. I do have them. And I have, like I said, I have converted them using my Pentium 3 PC. I did convert these from videotape to digital format. I think they're video MPEG, so I remember correctly. And I upload them. I had them on my website for about 3 years. And a lot of people have downloaded them, and since, they posted them on their own websites or on YouTube or whatever, yeah. Anyway, yeah, I thought I'd show these too. Alrighty, well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too boring. Stay tuned for more videos. My name is Hans George Campbell, and until next time.